This is Tom from Outside Van. I want to invite you with me as we take a deep dive into the Super Pacific Cloud Cap tent that's on the top of the overnight van. I want to show you how to open it, how to close it, and how to make sure it's secure for travel. Cover for the rooftop tent is held up with 4 snaps on this side and 2 zippers. First, we're going to undo the snaps, and then we'll run the zippers all the way to the driver's side, and the cover will actually roll up, and it's got a strap that'll snap it out of the way on the end, just like this. At that point, we have a ladder that's stored here that's going to attach up here. We're going to take it out of its bag. Has a clip on it that holds it together. We'll undo that clip, and then we'll just extend the ladder out and place it onto those knobs and tighten up the knobs, and the ladder becomes very, very stable, easy to use without moving around. The tent itself is still latched closed for travel, and on the latch there's a safety plate that holds the latch in place so that it cannot be opened while you're traveling. It's very clear. You take off the safety plate, and then the latch turns clockwise, and that will release the top latch, and then we just push it up, and up it goes. It has instructions here on the latch that includes a safety plate and everything that goes over it. Once we're in the tent, we're going to notice that over here I've got a dual USB, I've got a cigarette lighter style power port, and then I've got a light switch which is going to turn on and off my tent lights. On this side is the Garmin docking station that we talked about earlier. When we bring the secondary Garmin up here to this docking station, it'll charge to the station. Plus we have full function of all of the features in our van. Every single page is available to us, and we can control everything from the van inside the tent. Thank you for joining us for this deep dive into the overnight van to look at the systems and the way things operate. Don't forget to join us on our YouTube channel and on our Instagram so you can see more of the vans we build and the systems that are in those.